Okay, this is a response to the video I created the other day about how you can make 30K in this World Cup 2026, and I gave you a lot of niche that you can apply to. All right, the first was football reaction and opinions. The second one was football storytelling and documentary. The third one was football news and transfer rumors. The fourth one was tactical analysis and match breakdown. Then the fifth one was football what if and debate content. All right, now the easiest niche, right? You know, I gave you too many niche. Now you need to focus on one. It cannot be somebody cannot enter your page and be seeing different kind of videos you're talking about. Okay, we know that it's still the same football. All right, you need to focus on one particular niche. But this particular video, I want to focus on this debate. This is the one that everybody can apply to. Okay, even though you are not the type that watch football, number one, if you are not the type that watch football, you can actually do this. Now, in the World Cup 2026, you don't want to be sitting around looking for videos to watch online because you want to get entertained. Now, let people also go online to search for your own video. Let them also come online. They will meet your video and they will see your explanation. They will also react to it. Let people start reacting to your own particular video. Not that you use your data to always cash from. Let people also use their own data to cash from. But life is about, if you do for me, I do for you. If you watch people content, let your content be among those that is still online so that other people will also come and engage in it and also watch your own content. So don't just stick around the 2026 and doing nothing. All right. So if you don't know how to do any of these things, this particular page, I will teach you everything that you need to do. So it's very important that you stick around. And make sure you share my video with your friends. And make sure you subscribe to this channel. Okay, now let's go straight into it. Now the first thing you need to do, set up your account. Now in the previous video, I taught you guys how you're able to set up your account. Okay, setting your account is very easy. So you can just click on check my page. You just saw two videos on my page, the last video I created. In case you don't know how to set up your account, you can watch my previous videos. All right, I taught you there how you're able to set up your account from scratch, because there are some kind of settings you need to do before you can start posting on YouTube. Very, very important. And the second one I have is account warm up. Now, we all know that it's very important to warm up your account, okay, before you can start creating any content concerning the World Cup 2026. First of all, I will advise you to create a new account. You can use a different Gmail account, the one you have not used to create any account before. Create a new YouTube account and start, watching people's video. Like warm up your account for like 4 days, minimum of 4 days. All right. When I mean warm up your account, it means that you are going to use that account. Once you create it, you are going to use that account to be viewing football, viewing the things that you want to start creating, so that YouTube will know fully well that this person is a human being, not a robot, whether you like it or not. All right, there are a lot of robots who create account and they make posts. So YouTube want to screen all those robots, and it's very important that you watch video. Robot doesn't watch videos, and make sure you don't start subscribing to people's accounts. All right, they might think you are a robot. Just stay in that 4 days. Watch videos every day, and before you kickstart and start making your post. So the next thing you need to do is create faceless content. Now, here is an example of the faceless content I'm talking about.
2026 is that Ronaldo is going to win the World Cup 2026 the same way Messi won it in 2022, and this will be because it was scripted. Okay, because the World Cup 2022 actually was a widespread debate, which makes
all right. So that's the faceless content I'm talking about. As a football debate niche, it's very easy. All you need to do is to use your Quickcut app. If you don't have Quickcut, go and download this Quickcut app. All right, in my previous video, I taught you how to. I did everything on that video, the tutorial on how you're able to edit your video. If you're in that niche whereby you want to be reposting people's video, all right, I also taught you how you're able to edit in that particular video. Everything is there. Okay, you can watch it. Now you need that app. Why I recommend Quickcut is because this is the app that has all the features that CapCut has. CapCut, you need to pay every month in order to use the pro features. But in Quickcut, that is developed by a Chinese company. I don't need to pay any money to use it. It is free, okay, and it has all the features that Quickcut have. So that is a very good. A lot of people don't know about it yet. So it's on Play Store, it's on Apple Store. So it's very easy to do. So the thing you need to do is just put in some images. All right, there are some free images you can download online. Football, make sure it's football. People are interested in football. Hence, your niche is football niche. Anybody that enter your page expected to see things about football. All right, your face don't need to show. All you need to be posting the videos, the images. All right, you transition them. Okay, all the features are there. You transition them to make sure that they move from one place to another, so that to glue the viewer, so that what they are viewing will be interesting. Can you put one picture on their face, and they'll be seeing only that picture? So in every 3 seconds, you should be transitioning while you are explaining to them what you feel about the match. Let's say you are not conversant with football, you can go ahead and watch some short clips that was posted by FIFA during this World Cup. It has started now, and then you come back and just enter your Quickcut app, download some images, put it there, and start recording. You can record your voice on as a voiceover. You'll be talking. all right, and the thing will be counting. You only need 4 minutes to 8 minutes of explanation. Explain what you saw, explain the goal, what you don't like about it. In case you're not the type that watch football, I'm talking about you're not the type that watch football, you just go ahead and watch the highlights, and we'll talk about the highlights. Right? People will come and react to it. People that disagree with you will come and react to it, and that will help push your video. People are going to be commenting on your video, and that's what YouTube want. If you're in the category whereby you are very, very good in football, then this you are going to be. You don't even have any issue here. You can go ahead and watch. If you're a type that watch football, just watch it to the end, and you can do analysis for like 20 minutes. Make sure it is engaging. Okay, you can do analysis for like 20 minutes, 10 minutes. There's no need doing 20 minutes video if it's not going to be engaging. People are not going to enjoy what you are doing on that particular page. So it's like you are wasting time. If it's just 5 minutes, 8 minutes, you do. All right. Make sure what you are saying, people agree with it or people disagree with it, so that they can go to the comment section and start fighting themselves. Okay. So it's very, very important. So this is the best niche for you today. Now there are other niche, okay, like, because like I said, it is 5 niche. This is the one I just decided to pick to talk about as the easiest that anybody can do. Anybody can do it. Even though you are not a football fan, you don't like watching football, you only need to watch highlights and you can do this particular niche. Now if you need me to throw more light or any other niche, maybe there are other niche that you're interested in, like I said, I listed them out earlier. Maybe there are some other niche that you're interested in that I didn't talk about, or there's the one that is among, it's not among these 5 lists I gave you, and there's particular one that you want to start doing and you want me to speak about it and actually maybe throw more light on how you're able to do your video editing. As you can see, if you watch my video, you know fully well that I'm a video editor. So how you are able, if I want to show you how you're able to do your video editing, make sure you drop the list of what you want in the comment section. I can actually go there and recreate a video for you and make sure and talk about it, because I definitely will not know what most of you want. So this particular page is dedicated for you to be able to cash out from this World Cup 2026. And generally, I have to make money online because I'm a remote worker, so I have ideas on how you're able to earn money online. So this may bring into you an information, and make sure you follow this page, and make sure anytime you see my video, you respond to it so that YouTube can push it to other persons. Make sure you respond to it, and make sure that you actually drop a comment, and make sure you subscribe to this particular channel so YouTube can push it. You can share it to your friends, people that are interested in football or interested in making money online. Okay, so it's not just only watching football or using your data. Let people also watch you. Let people also watch your content. It's very, very important.